What's up, beautiful mamas? Let me introduce myself. My name is Kristen Robbins, also known as Mama Tiger, and I have partnered with the Baby Center and Graco to share with you why the Cradle Me 4-in-1 carrier is so awesome. What I really love about this carrier is that it grows with your baby. Starting at about 8 pounds newborn, you can use this, and it's just so perfect for their little snuggles, being close to you. You know, babies just want to be close to mama. They want to feel your heartbeat. They want to feel your warmth. And so they have this special newborn seat that just makes it possible for you to be free to get things done around your home, but also still be close to baby while they nap on you. You can kiss their little head, let them know that you're close. As your baby grows, you have the option of still wearing them facing you for those extra snuggles, or for those little ones who really don't want to miss a thing and just have to see the world, you can face them outwards, and it just makes going on walks or even doing things around the house so much fun. And as your baby gets older, at about 9 months, you can wear your baby on your back, and I just think that that is the coolest feature ever. So it just makes moving around and cleaning, cooking, doing all the things that much simpler, and I am here for it. I was also really impressed with the overall design of this specific carrier. The Cradle Me just makes it so easy to put on. You just slide it on your body, put your baby in place, and the buckles are so easy to reach, and they're actually magnetic for a secure connection. They just snap right in place. And I honestly have not used a carrier that is any more simple or any easier to use. It's just, the design is flawless. So if you've got a little one that always wants to be on you like nonstop, you really should get your hands on this carrier. And if you've got a baby on the way, go ahead and put this thing on your registry right now. I promise you, you will not regret it, and you'll want to find me in this world and give me the biggest hug. You will thank me. Trust me, it is just too good. So I hope that this was helpful for you today. If you're out there looking for the perfect carrier, search no more. The Cradle Me is where it's at, and I really hope that you love it as much as I do.